What up, lovies? It's your girl Nisha coming to y'all with a new video, and today we are going to be rebraiding my hair. And I'm sorry if I'm looking this way. I'm trying to do this video and watch Jonathan McReynolds on Terrell's channel. I love me some Jonathan McReynolds. But anywho, we're gonna go ahead and jump on into this video. Don't judge when I come away from under this bonnet, because I have been neglecting my hair this week. I am ashamed of what's about to come up under this bonnet, but I do need to re-moisturize and rebraid my hair so I can wear my braid out. So as you can see, this is how we looking. Like, we really need to re-moisturize and give her some life, okay? So we're gonna start in the back. And oh girl, we dry. We dry, honey. Okay. Oh, that feels so good. Ooh. So, a little water. Give it some moisture. Detangle. And then the leave-in conditioner that I'm using is by Cantu. It's their coconut milk detangling conditioner, leave-in conditioner, and I like this. I think I used it when I first did these braids. So we're gonna let that soak on up in there. I swear, your hair be screaming for moisture. Oh, and then what I'm going to, my styling product is gonna be Dax's styling pomade. Looks like this. I love this stuff. This stuff is so good and thick. And where did I get this from? I got it from like one of those discount stores. It's like super duper thick. It's like it kind of reminds me like of, I wouldn't even say a pomade, because it's like, it's creamy, it's moisturizing, but it is thick. But I like that. So I'm gonna take about this much, put it in my hands. A little bit more. And I normally would add some oil. Do I want to add oil? Do I want to make it that heavy? Like, I want it to be dry by tomorrow. No, I ain't gonna add no oil, because this has, I think, broccoli seed oil and castor oil or something in it. But then I'm gonna take it, rebraid it, or plait it, as some people would say. Like, why people get mad when we doing braid outs and we plaiting? So I don't have to braid down to my scalp, okay? I don't have to if I don't want to. And then when I get to the end, I take my comb that out, add just a little bit more to the ends, and twist the rest on up. So now we looking all nice and moisturized compared to what we had when we first started. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish this, and I will see y'all when I'm done.
You were there for me, and no matter you used to win. You see, you made it better. Kill me, and no stop. You better.
All right, I have thoroughly re-moisturized my hair because we was looking dry. It was a little bit on the dry side. So tomorrow I will be taking my hair down and showing you guys how this look. Shrinkage is gonna be real. We just gonna put that on out there. Like, I like day 2 and day 3 braid outs because I will then mess up my parts and take bigger parts, braid it down and fluff it out so it looks like very voluminous. So tomorrow we're gonna be looking a little shrunk and we're gonna be looking a little bald headed. But no, she's not. Okay, she's not bald headed. But that's just, you know, that's just the way it's gonna look if it's dry. So if it's not dry, you'll see it on Wednesday. All right, my hair has fully dried, so I'm about to take it down and see how this looks. I'm gonna try to be as careful as possible. When taking this down, so I may speed through this, I don't know, unless I want to do some talking. I forgot my mirror, so I'm actually just looking into this to see how this goes. And as you can see, the products that I use gave me awesome definition, so that's why I like to use them. Like, awesome definition. Yes, like my thick hair loves stuff like that. My thick hair loves thick products, so I kind of figured that's what they do. I'm just giving y'all a close-up of how it looks. Very moisturized, so I'm gonna finish taking these down. So these are the results from my 2-product braid out, if you will. I love my definition. I'm telling you, that styling pomade is bomb. Like, I love that. And the moment we off quarantine, or we out of quarantine, I gotta get more. Even though I got half a jar, I just feel like I need some more in my life because, girlfriend, the definition is there. It is. And I cannot be caught slipping without it. So this was, like I said, my 2 product braid out, and I love it. Even though my hair feels so short right now, like I still like this. So what I will do is probably in about 2 days braid it up again, but my braids will not be as small, they'll be bigger, so my hair can be fluffier. Like, this is cool, this is cute, I'm loving and feeling the definition, but I like big hair. Like, I really do like big hair. We got movement, we not stiff, and we got definition. But I live in Florida, so it will shrink. I will be bald head by 8:30. But again, like I said, I like my hair. Should I do an update? Like do stretch out my braid outs? Like a weekend of braid out. Should I do that? Because it's only Tuesday. We can make that happen. We can make that happen. So until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, lovies.